Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am going to talk to you guys about how to utilize Etsy stats to increase traffic on listings in your Etsy store. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you haven't already, head on over to the Facebook group, which is linked in the description box below, so you can join our community of like-minded individuals who are trying to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about a tool that I utilize not as often as I should, but I am going to try to do that at the beginning of this year on all 600 or so of my listings, or at least the ones that are selling well, and utilize Etsy stats to help increase traffic to certain listings. Now, because it's Valentine's Day coming up, I'm going to be focusing on a Valentine's Day design. So I'm going to head on over to my computer screen and I'll explain to you exactly what I'm going to do, right? So I went and head over to my Etsy store here and I chose this SVG. This one has always done very well for me. Last year I sold about $500 worth of this file, or close to it. So what you can do when you click on this is you can see up here, if you are logged into your store, which I am, you can click on stats here, okay? And it is going to pull up your Etsy shop stats for the listing, and it will give you a range, okay, of how it sold during the year. So it looks like I sold $293.12 last year. I think the all-time was probably close to or not. The revenue was $296, okay? So this is sold a couple times at the tail end of the year, but really it crushed it in the beginning of February is where I got most of my sales, right before Valentine's Day, okay? And one thing that I probably haven't done is optimize this the best that I should have. And what I should have done is right click on that so this opens up in another window. Because I'm going to want to edit this in just a short minute. Okay, so when you open up your stats, you can do a short look or you can do a big look. Now, I recommend the larger look that you have on your listing, the better. So what I'm getting at is if you've just opened your shop, you're not going to have any data to use. So this is for people who have had their shops open for a little while, who are gaining traction or gaining sales. This is going to really, really help you take your listings and your shop to the next level. So you're utilizing data that Etsy's giving you to get more traffic and hopefully up that conversion rate and help up those sales by using the keywords that actual customers are searching for in your tags, okay? So for me, instead of just doing last year or the past month or whatever it is, I'm going to click on all time, okay? Now, when you look at this, it's going to show all, how many items you sold, how many visits it's had, what the revenue is. It's going to show you a bunch of stuff. And it's going to show you traffic searches, right? So here it's Etsy app and other Etsy pages. So about half of my traffic is from people clicking from other people's pages. Etsy search, Etsy ads I utilized on this for a little bit, had brought in about 16%. Marketing, SEO, direct traffic and other, and social media. I don't do a ton of social media promotion, so all my traffic is mostly organic, which is a really beautiful thing. Now, here is the meat of it, okay? You have this thing called search terms here. And these search terms are exactly what you want to use in your tags because these are keywords that people are actually searching for. So what you want to do is you want to actually open up your listing and you want to go down to where your tags are at. Now, I can probably tell you I'm not using all 13 tags, and I'm not. This is complete crap. I'm not using, this is nothing that I teach you guys, so I apologize. So here, if I look at the stats, sorry ladies, mom is my Valentine. So I have sorry ladies, SVG, mom is my Valentine, and mom's Valentine, because I had to cut these up. So obviously I have to cut these up. Sorry ladies, mom is my Valentine. So I type in sorry ladies, mom is my Valentine, SVG, okay? Too long. Okay, whoops, that's not what I wanted to do, sorry about that. Boy Valentine SVG. Do I have that on here? Nope. Boom. And Valentine's Day. I don't even have that in here. I have Valentine's Day SVG though, and it's a section in my shop, so that helps. Valentine SVG, so let's just put that in there. Okay. Sorry ladies, Mimi is my Valentine. Mom is my Valentine SVG. Mom is my Valentine right there. Valentine's Day SVG. And you just basically want to go through Kids Valentine SVG. And add in the most searched for keywords and Valentine's Day. Sorry ladies, Valentine. That one's too long. Dang, dang, dang. Valentine SVG boy. I have 3 more to go. And you just go through and you choose Valentine SVG mom. Keywords that are popping up. Now you can also use things like eRank or Marmalade to help you get show you keywords that people are searching for. But I'm telling you what, right now, if you have stuff that's been out there for a little while, Etsy Stats is the way to go, because these are actual live searches that people are doing where your listing is already popping up. So this is going to help you bump up that much, much more. This is definitely going to help with that contextual search that Etsy has just released, okay? Kids Valentine SVG. I got that one. Infant Mom is my Valentine. This one's going to be too long. There we go. And Mama Valentine. Okay, so now I have all 13 tags used. I'm going to go ahead and click on publish, and those changes will take effect. And so that's going to take a little bit of time for Etsy to crawl that page and have it rank and everything else like that. But we will come back to it in a few weeks. I will let you know. I've made some sales right now. 4 people have it in their cart. I'll come back to it in about a week. I'll put a reminder on my phone to look at it in about 7 days. And we'll see if any of the stats have increased. So that is how you would go through your stats on some of your listings that have gained some traffic and sales. So that way you can increase your traffic by using actual Etsy data keywords for your tags. Because again, keywords and tags are 2 different things. So if you guys have any questions about this at all, drop a comment in the comments box below, or head on over to the Facebook group where we're creating a community of like-minded individuals who are trying to grow their semi-passive income together, collectively, because this is not a competition. We're here to help each other grow. And I would be more than happy to help you, and other people are also very happy to help. So I love it. I love the way that that group is going. And as always, if you got something out of this video, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. If there's anything else that you need, don't hesitate to reach out to me or somebody else in the group, and I will catch you all in the next video. Have a good one.